Are you a little piggy? It's like 38 degrees with 20-mile-an-hour wind right now. Yep, that's my service dog.